Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar's from Solo Marketer here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple two-step affiliate funnel, which will look something like this. It will have a landing page, and it will also have a bridge page. It will look different, but it will be the same type of funnel. We're going to create it from scratch. And if you stick around to the end, you will get a freebie from me as a thank you for sticking around, which is a free affiliate funnel along with other freebies. There's other stuff down there, but this one is like the one I want you to get, which is actually like this specific funnel. And you will be able to get it with like a one-click download, and it will come with a welcome email template and also setup explainer video, because this one is slightly different than the one I'm going to show you. So yeah, let's get right to it, right? So why not just send people to the affiliate page? Instead, do like all this stuff, right, up front, instead of just sending them here. And the reason is that people that do this first step, they actually, the ones that collect the lead up front, make upwards of like 60 to 70% more than the people that just straight up send people to their affiliate sales page, whatever it is. And the reason is because I would say at least 90% of the people that land on this offer, they're going to leave the page without buying anything, and that's it. That's like if you do it this way, they just leave and never to be seen again. As opposed to if you collect their email address and first name or whatever, you can, as you can see here, you can continue email communications with them, not only about this product if they don't buy it, but also other relevant products. So there's you can continue communicating with them endlessly instead of just this one time, one shot. And especially if it's the first time of them seeing a sales page of sorts of like this specific one, they're very highly unlikely to buy anything. So a lot of the money is in the list. So building lists up front and then email communication. And yeah, as I mentioned before, that's actually the best thing out of this whole thing. We're actually going to be doing this with a free funnel building tool, which is, let me move this to the other side. It's going to be System.io. As you can see, no free trial. It's actually free up to a certain limit. You can see like 2,000 leads, 3 funnels. You can have a course there, a tag that's going to be a thing that we're going to use. Email campaigns, that's for like welcome email sequences and stuff. And you can send endless email broadcasts. So that all of that comes with a free account. And when you're starting out, that's perfect. As soon as you sign up and you're logged in, we want to go to the funnels tab up top here, right? And then we're going to create the two-step funnel from scratch. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to click create, and then we go name the funnel. In this case, I picked the Legendary Marketer 15-day business online business builder challenge, but it's not, that's just my example, right? It can be anything from ClickBank, Max Bounty, or maybe like specific programs like this. That's all up to you. I'm just going to use this one as an example because there's the product is good and whatnot, but there is a video on the sales page. So if the product you're selling has some sort of a longer form video, this is like 10-15 minutes, there's actually some knowledge to some things you can learn from it. You don't even need a lead magnet. You can just sell the video. I say sell, it's just to get people's email address. You don't even need like a PDF lead magnet or anything like that. You can just have this as the lead magnet, and then that works together with like the rest of the sales page to sell the product. So we're going to do Dairy Marketer affiliate. Let's just name it whatever. Domain, obviously by default, you're not going to have anything here, but later down the line, maybe add like a custom domain just for the branding. And also some social media sites don't like the default ones they give you. They want to have like a custom one. So right now, not needed, but later down the line. Yeah, and the goal will be to build an audience. So let's click on that. Currency, it doesn't matter. We're just going to collect leads. So let's save. Let's click on it here. And now you can see there's 2 pages, the squeeze page or the opt-in page, landing page, whatever you want to call it, and the thank you page, which will be the bridge page. So let's go edit the first one. We can pick templates. Let's just pick this one. I'm going to be more practical than, I'm not going to make it like aesthetically pleasing on this one, on this video. So let's do /legend. Let's do that just to make it a better looking link. Definitely don't do the letters and numbers and all that stuff. It's saved. Let's go on edit page. All right, so we have the page. So this looks like a full-blown website. All this stuff is not needed. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just leave the, we're just gonna delete a bunch of stuff. Actually, let me just delete everything, and then we're gonna build it up from scratch. So we're gonna make it really simple. So this is the section, right? And what we're gonna need is on the left side here, you can see all the elements like the headline, image, video, button, forms, whatever, right? It's all here. It's all drag and drop. So we're going to need a headline. We're going to need a subheadline. I'm just dragging them in. No images even in this case. We're going to need a form input, which is name, another one, which is email, and then a button. Here we go. You can also change the background. You can see, like, once we have the section, just click on it, and then you can scroll down here. You can select like a background image, which is, you can look it up online, like free background images, which I'm going to change to as well. Like I'm just going to switch this up, and or you can just, click it off and you can just change the background color to whatever you want it to be. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change it to a different image. It's just I have something saved, so you can just upload any. It's not perfect, but it will get the job done. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the headlines. So this should be obviously straight to the point. We're selling the video, right? Again, I say selling. It's just that's what we're kind of guiding people towards. So obviously it's going to be free video, right? If it's a lead magnet, free guide, free template, free checklist, whatever. In this case, free video, and a benefit. So up until this point, it's a good thing if you, obviously the sales page has the video and there's like a longer sales page. It's a good thing for you to go and check out the video and take notes on what he talks about, what he teaches, or she, whoever is talking, and kind of get to know all the contents of the page and kind of what they have to offer, because it will come here as you can mention this as part of the benefits or like the objections or pain points, whatever, that will help with your copy on these two pages. So on this one, it would be, since it's a 15-day challenge that helps you make money online, right, with an online business. So it would be something like master the extraordinary to make your first $1,000 online, right? So it's kind of, they're learning the formula. It's not like I'm saying you're guaranteed to make $1,000 online on your first, 5 days or whatever. But that's kind of, it gives them a good indication of what's in the video. So you can resize it here, right? You can do like different sizes, or you can do also font size. I'll just do 40. Okay, and the subheadline, I would do like an objection, even if, and there's people that, they're seeking out help, but they're kind of, there's a lot of pain points, there's a lot of insecurities and like a lack of experience and all that sort of stuff. So you can just, this is a good place to reassure that whatever the most common objections are, you can just say, no, even if. So it would be something like, you don't have any major tech skills, right? Especially with like Gen X and Boomer generations, they're not as tech savvy. So if that's your target audience, right, like specific, that's part of your customer avatar, they have to be like 45 plus and whatnot. This would be a big one. And there can also be tons of startup capital. Most people starting out, that's the reason they're starting out. Maybe they want to make more money, obviously. So this was kind of a, most people will not have a lot of money. So this is a good point. And I guess let's do that, and marketing experience, because that's also like a daunting thing. And yeah, marketing. And like if the course teaches all the marketing aspect of it, that's a pretty common one as well. Yeah, let's just keep it at that. Let's do something like this. I just resized it. So next thing, we have the two form inputs, name and email, and then they submit the form, you collect their information, and then you send them to the affiliate page, right? So let's click on the first one. Input type, first name. And the second one, let's click on it. Email. right? Simple as that. The submit form button, it's by default, it's submit form. On the next page it will be a button, but it will be slightly different. It will be like a different option here. So first one, yeah, let's do submit form and to the next step, which means we take them to the next step in the funnel, which is the next page. You saw like 2 pages on the left side, so that's like the next step. That's going to be the bridge page. And then let's do, instead of click here, that's kind of generic and not really reassuring like what's going to happen. It would be something mostly benefit driven as well, but keep it fairly short. Watch the free training here. Something like that. Not great, but subtext over here. Let's get rid of it. Let's change the color. I clicked on it again. Left side, background color. Let's click on it. Red. Something like that. It's not perfect, but it doesn't look pretty, but it's functional. It's all there and everything is, you can see everything. So save changes and let's preview the page, which is this eye icon. So as you can see, pretty clean, everything above fold. So yeah, we're good to go with this one. So let's go edit the second one, the bridge page. Let's go back, which was in the top corner here. Yeah, and now let's click here. That's going to be the bridge page. Here it says thank you page, but in this case, it's a bridge page. Again, templates, I'm going to keep it simple. Let's just select, but you can preview them if you want to get to like find your perfect one. Legendary thank you page, I guess, or bridge rather. Just again, making the links prettier. Let's edit the page. All right, so I'm just gonna, again, it looks kind of weird, so just to show you how it can be done from scratch, I'm just gonna delete everything. Again, background, all that can be changed. Let's click on it. Let's change the background. You can either take it from your computer, upload it, or I have it in my past images. So let's just add it here. And for the bridge page, we're going to bridge them over to the affiliate product. Let's do a headline. We're going to do an image, which I'm going to show you in a second what that means, and a button, which is going to take them to the video. For the headline, just to kind of reassure, yeah, we can go back to the sales page. So I copy the link. It can, yeah, let's do for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business. So something like that. Congratulations. Here's your access to that free video on how to start your own profitable business in the next 15 days, since it's a 15-day online business builder challenge. And then we can do like a different headline. Let's do that. We can make it bold. And as for the image, what I did was I just screen capped this part, the thumbnail, and then you can add it as an image here, like a video thumbnail that people can click on, and it's going to take them to the video. So let's click on it. I have it saved on my computer already. So it's going to look something like this, right? It's poorly screen capped, I'll give you that, but let's change the size on the left side here. So it looks something like this, right? It gives them the idea of like, okay, if you click here, it starts playing the video. And then you can click on a button, and then we can do something like watch the video right now, right? Something like that, just kind of like an extra opportunity for them to see it. And then let's scroll down. Where's the subtext? Yeah, let's just delete that. And to be congruent with the previous page, red as well. Actually, I would do green. That's kind of I overlooked that part. The sales page has green buttons, so I actually should have done green, but we're here. So let's just make it red. The last thing you want to do is you want to actually put your affiliate link in here, right, to the sales page. So let's click on a video, and then it must be open URL, right? And then paste it in here, over here. That's good. And then the button. See, it says submit form like the previous page, but this is different. It's not a form, it's a link to a page. So let's do open URL and then paste in the URL. And same window, new window, I don't know, I usually do same. So that's about it. Let's save changes and let's open it in a new page. Let's preview it and see whether it works. So this is the page. And if you click on the image or the thumbnail, it takes them to the sales page. All right. Yeah, simple as that. And then let's save it. I guess the last thing you want to do is you want to go and tag them. So in this case, they sign up, everything works, they get taken to the page, but also you want this lead that signs up, you want to add like an additional tag. So you know, let's say 6 months later, you've collected like 1,000 leads, you've run several funnels like this. You want to know which funnel worked best, so you can double down on that. So you need to tag each and every lead that comes through a specific funnel with what the funnel is, like what you're offering for free or what the product is or whatever, and also where they're coming from. So in this case, we're going to go to contacts, tags. So I already created it, but let's just delete it and recreate it. Delete, right? So let's go to create. Let's start with Instagram organic. I keep it short because there's a limit. So kind of develop your own lingo. And legendary marketer, 15-day challenge, right? Something like that. Let's just save it. And now if we go back to the funnels, let's click here. And now we go to automation rules. There's two ways to do it, but since we're here, let's go automation rules, and we're gonna set up the automation. And it's gonna make sense in a second. Add rule. So once the form has been filled out, we want to add action. So once they fill out the form, we want to add a tag to this lead, right? We select this tag and then we save the rule. So now let's click on the squeeze page back, and we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna go back and check whether this lead got tagged in the background, like in the back end. All right, let's do this. Let's do let's do this. Watch the training and watch the training. Okay, so you can see the funnel went through. We have the affiliate link. Everything is great. So let's go to the back end. Let's go to contacts. You can see the new lead got added, right? It's here. And you can also see the tag on the right side. So in a year's time or whenever, you're going to go through your leads to see which traffic source works the best. Instagram organic, Facebook ads, whatever. Well, you're going to need to check that a little bit sooner than a year, but still, you're going to keep track. And you're going to be able to see where they're coming from and what they were interested in, what they actually signed up for. So those are two very vital things: traffic source and what the actual content, like what the freebie is that they're interested in the most. Just like I said, ideally a sales page with a video, then you don't need to worry about the lead magnet. If it's a good sales page video, you can just sell that. That's enough value. If they can actually learn something from the video, you know, that's great. And yeah, as I mentioned before, since you stuck around till the end, make sure that after this video is done in a minute, go check out the free template, free affiliate funnel template. I think there might be a couple more, and there's a free training there as well. So go check those out. Sign up for the free account, System.io. Not a free trial, it's just free. Go check it out. You know, watch the video again. It's fairly simple. I don't know how long it took, but probably, I don't know, maybe half an hour, maybe less. But this was with me talking a lot. You can, once you get enough practice, you can do this in like 15 minutes, maybe make it prettier. So, 20 minutes. And yeah, go check those out. And obviously, like and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.